Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course. So anyways, on the pound yen, I'm definitely still looking at this as the end of a wave 3. I think this is now likely in an ABC of 4, which I think will look something like this, maybe going down to about the 50% before it continues back up for the wave 5. So let's look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, nice impulsive and golfing move down. I think it's an A. I believe we're in a wave B right now, which a wave B should be a crescent to the wave A, which I'm not really convinced is over yet. And I think that it needs to go down one more time for a wave C of 4. Keep in mind this is the weekly monthly time frame, so this pattern still has a long ways to go. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily, I'm still looking at preferably the 123, 138 for this target for the wave C. I think this is the wave A ending here. I think this is an A, 3 waves for B, like a big expanding flat wave B. And I still think that we're in a wave C, and I'm really not convinced the wave C is over. I think it's going to end up looking something like that, which I think is a wave C of B, before it actually continues down for that bigger wave C I showed on the higher time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got a little bit of a push down starting. I am personally looking at every move down as nothing beyond a crescent to the last wave up, until we have a breaker structure, which for me, this structure is right here where this blue box and that arrow is pointing to. If it goes down and breaks that structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for sells in a downtrend. If not, I am definitely looking for three-way pullbacks to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Now this is really important here because look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 break of structure. Very, very, very recognizable pattern, Elliot wave pattern. Now, that means that likely we are now in a crescent to those 5 waves. So we got our Fibonacci retracement out there. I would expect to see a wave A, a wave B, and a wave C down to one of these Fibonacci retracement levels, which really it could be any one of them. If we get an ABC pattern down, 1, 2, 3 waves down to any one of these Fib levels with a nice engulfing move up, preferably a breaker structure, that is exactly what I would be looking for continuation of the uptrend. If price decides to go down and break structure, that's fine also, because after the break of structure, I will turn into a seller and I'll start looking for ABC patterns up to go short for the continuation of the move down. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.